Good evening. I hope you all are safe and healthy in this situation. Before I begin with the overview of the electronics and telecommunication engineering, I would like to brief you all about my department. Our department has a total of 17 faculty members with 2 PhD holders and 2 are pursuing PhD. The faculty members are working in various domains like embedded systems, antenna designing, signal processing, VLSI, communication engineering, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics, etc. We are also involved in consultancies, projects, and research work in various upcoming fields. Now we will see what electronics and telecommunication engineering is. Electronics and telecommunication engineering is one of the largest and most sophisticated branches of engineering. It has made us available the equipments like television, radio, computers, telephones, etc. Electronics has a major role in improving productivity in industries like oil, energy, agriculture, and so many other important sectors of economy. The ETC engineer works for several industries including hospitals, computer industries, electronic data processing systems for communication, and in defense. They work with microprocessors, fiber optics, telecommunication, television, radios, etc. Electronics engineering is a rapidly growing sector where there is excellent job opportunity for the skilled professionals. Electronics and Communication Engineering branch deals with analog transmission, digital transmission, reception of video, voice and data, basic electronics, solid-state devices, microprocessors, digital and analog communication, analog integrated circuits, satellite communication, microwave engineering, antenna and wave propagation. It also deals with the manufacturing of electronic devices, circuits and communications equipment like transmitter, receiver, integrated circuits and microwaves. Today, technology is growing at a rapid pace. In the coming future, there is bound to be huge demand for competent engineers in electronic industry to cope this demand in technology. These engineers would be involved in creating and sustaining cutting edge technology to stay ahead in competition. An electronic engineer can find job in consumer electronics manufacturing organization, telecommunication industry, IT industries, healthcare equipment manufacturing industries, mobile communication, internet technologies, power electronics, and other industries like steel, petroleum, and chemical industry. Electrical technicians and technologists can specialize in technical sales, product representation, systems management, the design and manufacture of electronics devices and systems, or the installation, maintenance, and repair of electronic systems and equipment. They may also work with computers and electronic equipment in the medical manufacturing sectors. As an electronics and telecommunication engineer, various opportunities are there. An electronics engineer can get a job in central government, state governments, and their sponsored corporations in public enterprises and the private organizations like Indian Telephone Industries, MTNL, National Physical Laboratories, Civil Aviation Department, Post and Telegraph Department, Coordination Department, Bharat Electronics Limited, development centers in various states, etc. They can also get a job in sales and services of electronics consumer goods and appliances. Electronics engineers are also absorbed into the entertainment transmission industry, research establishments, and defense. They can also take up teaching and research in one of the many engineering colleges in India or abroad. They can also be employed by private companies manufacturing radio equipment and electronics such as Sony, Samsung, etc. The jobs are available in Ministry of Communication, All India Radio and Doordarshan. Information and broadcasting sectors, railways, police, BSF, CRPF, and defense-related organizations also requires electronics and telecommunication engineers. Opportunities are also there in research organizations like ISRO and DRDO. Here I have shown few core companies where ETC engineers can get a job. As a core ECE engineer, student will be able to apply for the positions of design engineer, ASIC engineer trainee, junior embedded engineer, or network support engineer. If you manage to bag the jobs, you will get a chance to work in the field of circuit design, wireless communications, robotics, electronics, VLSI, nanotechnology, embedded systems, digital electronics, optical communications, signal processing, control system, analog electronics, networking, and so on. If you have working knowledge of programming languages and excellent communication skills, then ETC students can get jobs in software industries too. Once you sharpen your software skills, you can apply to the private companies like Wipro, TCS, Accenture, Infosys, HCL, and the likes of it. Although the jobs don't fall in your core domain, they pay well and come with decent hikes. Nowadays, most of the companies are working in multidisciplinary domain, so they need people from all the streams. But for getting a job, one should be really good in his or her domain. Other than these jobs, they are also eligible for Army, Navy, and banking jobs. After graduation or during graduation, if students want to start their own company, then they can start their own startup. In DBC, to inculcate research and innovation, the department encourages students to participate in various competitions organized by Government of India under DBC Institute Innovation Council, like Smart India Hackathon and Proof of Concept competitions. FIRE, Forum for Innovation, Incubation Research and Entrepreneurship, is established in DBC campus with the support of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, under the National Initiative for Developing and Harnessing Innovations with the objective to help startups visualize and build prototype. If students have their own idea, then the department faculty members, along with FIRE, helps them to refine the idea and start their own startup. Like every other domain in engineering, in ETC2, students' scopes for higher education are decently good. Whether it's MTech, MBA, PhD, or MS, they will definitely find one viable option that works in their favor. For ME MTech, they must appear for entrance exam known as GATE, which is based on the entire curriculum which they learn during 4 years of BE. Our department trained them to appear this GATE exam. For MBA, they must appear for entrance exam known as CAT or CET, and for going abroad to pursue their post graduation, student can appear for GRE and TOEFL exams. For the overall development of our students, other than curriculum, we do many co-curricular activities. The department has signed in all 6 MOUs with the industries from Goa and Mumbai with the objectives to provide internships, workshops, projects, training and placement for students. Don Bosco Electronics and Telecommunication Society (DBITS) is a students' association of our department through which various skill development programs are organized for the students. Apart from DBITS, department organizes various technical events for the students through IETE, that is Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering student chapter. Antenna Research Group has been actively involved in training students to design antenna system for LTE and 5G wireless communication systems. The department has also established a student satellite club named Parikrama with the objective to develop ground station for the satellite communication and to design and fabricate student satellite Parikrama. The department also has IEEE student branch which organizes various technical activities like industry tours, hands-on workshops, webinars, skill and knowledge enhancement programs for students. eYantra is a project hosted by IIT Bombay to spread education in embedded systems and robotics in colleges across India and sponsored by MHRD. In collaboration with IIT Bombay, under eYantra Lab Setup Initiative, department has set up a robotics lab to develop the interest in the field of robotics among the students. Our students go for internship every semester to various companies like Bosch, IFB, MRF, Siemens and Goa Shipyard. Department also organizes industry training in DBC campus. Getting a dream job after completing your BE in ETC might initially seem difficult, but if you are persistent in your goal and have a right attitude, you will definitely get the kind of job you are looking for. And one more important thing, along with ETC, you must be good in one programming language. If you do so, no one can stop you from achieving your dreams. Thank you.